Hi guys, welcome back. So this is a new mobile holder that I ordered from Amazon. I thought you guys should see, and probably if someone is looking for one. I expected it to be a big package, but surprisingly it's very small. So this is the magnetic car holder from Portronics. MRP is $7.99 according to the box. Let's see what we get inside. So basically it's a magnetic mount. This is a suction cup which will stick to your dashboard or your windshield. And yeah, that's it in the box. These are the magnetic plates. One we can stick on the phone's back case, or two put this inside the case. This is like you can put it inside the case, and this is to stick it on the phone directly or probably on the case, whichever is convenient. Warranty card. Let's come to the actual holder. This is the normal suction cup 2 holder which comes with most of the mobile holders which we see nowadays. This is the actual magnet. So this is going to fit on this. I just have to loosely fit this here and push it inside and then lock it. And yeah, and this is fixed. Your magnets are ready to roll. The adhesive is strong, guys. Nice. It's really strong. I feel it's really strong. And yeah, forgot to show it has a telescopic adjustment here which we can tighten and lock it. But I would suggest keep it short. That will minimize your vibrations because of the length. The more longer this goes, the more probability of your stand or your phone to oscillate while driving. So yeah, not much of a use, but yeah, it's there. Cool guys, and probably I'll be showing you, I'll continue this in my car where I'm going to install it, and I'll show you my advice on what I feel on this. Hi guys, I am back to the car. Now I am planning to install my mobile holder here. Let's see how it works. So what I did is, see, this is the plate which we can put inside the case, right? As I told, I'll keep this beside. As you guys remember the other metal plate which I could stick on the case, I stuck that. And yeah, this is how it is going to work. It is pretty strong, guys. So let's see. I am going to remove this. So basically this is a suction cup with some kind of a gum here. Okay, they give this protection so the glue is in good shape. So this is the release cap. This is when you press this down, this is when the suction happens and it holds the dash. You can also stick it on the glass. Okay guys, a genuine review. I tried multiple places on the dash, but I didn't like it. It's not going to stick for a longer time. It's going to definitely fall down. So the best part for this is going to be your glass. If you guys are not comfortable at being in your field of view, this is the best place. Go to the topmost possible and just lock it and drop your first step down, and yeah, make sure this lock is proper and keep this a bit up. All the locks should be tight so that your phone doesn't drop off. And yeah guys, this is the best place I feel. so that you don't have a hindrance between your field of view to the road. This can go a bit high depending on your phone style. I'm going to lock it there. Once this lock is up, be the place where your magnet is going to stick to the plate and your phone is going to be stuck. Pretty much that is where I want it as of now. Yeah guys, this is the perfect place for me, but you guys can decide where it suits you according to your car and your style. This is it for today, and when I want the visor, I'll probably use it like this. That's it guys. See you on the next one. I'll add the Amazon buy links below. You can use that link to buy from Amazon.